Hi everyone, now Saturday 7 p.m. I park my car near Georgi apartment. Georgi waiting for me because now I walk in Fields Avenue, through Fields Avenue. I will check what's new in Fields Avenue on Saturday. And together we're going to with Georgi to CDC Park walk and talk also. Maybe I will ask him interview. I don't know, I asked him because he said he already not going to play billiard every day. I don't know what happened. I will ask him. And now I just walk only on Fields Avenue and show to you. Saturday, but more silent than before. I remember before, even in ABC hotel, have some parties, but now silent. Garden View Hotel still closed. Take a look, it's closed. And this hotel also closed. What name? Prime City. Take a look, Prime City also still closed because don't have tourists. American Legion. American Legion always empty. Don't have people inside. Some of expats sit in these bars. I know my brother also visit this place because his apartment very close. And he sent video to mother where he sit in this place and these bars. But I never sit here, I never been. Just only pass by. I know Cheeky Monkeys, also our subscribers sit. They said it's good price. Oh, they fix already water in the road. Already not. Take a look, they remove already water. Not leak. Before I remember always water, sewage water, but now it's okay. They fix already. It's good. So it's new. You already see. It's better. The Thai restaurant open. Laundry also open. Water also open. Albasio Italian restaurant. Oh, many cars parked here. So maybe have inside visitors. Few visitors. No, I cannot see. Don't have. Maybe one or two visitors. Oh, Lexus LX. Same my car before. My car same, only black color. Same Lexus. Okay, empty. Very few tourists. I like this Kapapangan restaurant. With Shara, also with Georgi, we sometimes visit. Good. And not expensive. And food is okay. ABC Hotel. Never stayed NBC and ABC, but my friends always, even Georgi sometimes stay. I know owner of this hotel, son of owner, have Russian wife from my city. Yes, from my city, from Vladivostok, Russia. Korean barbecue, and this is popular. Angel's Bakery. It's good, empty. We are open April 2, Holy Thursday, Holy Friday. Open. Uncle John, popular before 7-Eleven. Mini stop before mini stop. Yeah, sometimes I eat here inside because I stay before in Tiger Hotel. And here I can buy medicine, pharmacy. Hi, thank you. Also popular street foods. I eat here before also. $59.50 US dollar. Also same $59.50. So this time so many road works. Just only need wait when already finish. Maybe need wait 2 years or maybe 3 years. And I hope they can fix everything here. I hope. Look, Grand Prix, one winner. But I know who already winner. It's dogs who sit there. Take a look. Winner is dogs. We already. 55. Red House. Georgi said don't have a price. He don't know price how much. $7-Eleven. Traffic enforcement this time, always Saturday traffic enforcers is good. Because road here is not good, not wide. That's why we need to help for drivers. Oh, this is road, it's empty. I don't want to walk right now. Already daytime I walk. And you already know what's new. MC Cafe, popular MC Cafe. Not empty MC Cafe. I hear always massage girls stand. They give some name card with massage. I don't want near bars because YouTube always block video if I show bars. So I need to edit many times video. Even don't have girls. They always not allowed me. I think it's new YouTube new rules. I don't know. I just show to you. Maybe I will blur again here because YouTube not allowed. But you see 7 p.m. and don't have customers. Don't have. All street food sellers here have. Soya. Street foods is who work in the bar can buy fruits. So street foods also. Saturday Skytrax close. Close, take a look. Even Saturday close. And here take a look, Phyllis Bar. Phyllis Bar don't have girls here, don't have. Hi. And barangay also security. We're not allowed if girls stand here. Most of the faces who sit in the Phyllis Bar, I know they live in Philippines. Maza India, Saturday. Empty. And girl sit near. I know Philippines always filming her. Cheoplan is restaurant, Korean restaurant. Street food here. Most of street food is fry foods. And this area also is bars, but sports bar. It's not the same like in the Red Street. It's different. You can take your girlfriend to bar, sit, drink, but inside I think I don't have girls. Also Midnight Rodeo open.
8:30.
Hi. Hi. Very good weather now, about 28 degree. Porsche Inn, popular hotel before. I don't want to walk near bars because YouTube always say need to edit video, re-edit again and again. Hanguk Hotel is Georgi before staying. Korea Hotel. Before another name, now Hanguk. Pacific Breeze. Pacific Breeze Hotel. Ну, караоке, Тагалук. Family KTV.
Alam eh.
Yung ano bumalik ng gulo-gulo pamilya
Secret
nila.
Garden.
Marami na kayo pa.
А this is hotel?
Restaurant.
Ah, it's restaurant. Okay, thank you. It's restaurant. Okay. Secret Garden, ресторан. Oh, here street foods. You can buy street foods here. Before also street foods in another corner, but closed already. Laundry. Laundry shop. So many dress here. Another Uncle John.
Sir, Malaysian food, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Newly open, sir.
Restaurant?
Yeah, restaurant.
Okay, thank you. I already been inside. Next time, okay. Yeah, already filming before Malaysian foods. Also massage. One visitors have. Wild Orchard Resort.
Let's go.
Another massage spa. take a look, a sales office here.
Makatagay ang ulo ko pa ako ng
Ванна эйфория.